Best way to beat the algorithm and go viral on YouTube is to go straight to the point. When anybody taps on your video should be delivering what it's supposed to deliver in the first 1 minute of that video. After the first 1 minute of that video, you can start going on and on about other things in the video. But the first 1 minute of a video should deliver what it should deliver. A video of 10 minutes and people don't watch up to 5 minutes, that video will not go viral and YouTube will not recommend that video to more people. Right? So all you have to do on YouTube for you to beat the algorithm, go viral, have views, grow your subscribers is go straight to the point. When people tap on your video, the first 30 seconds, like this now, the first 30 seconds of this video, I've told you the main thing you have to do. Go straight to the point of that video. If the video is how to make money, the first 1 minute you deliver the app you should use, the way you make money, everything you necessarily need to make money on that particular platform. If the video is about how to make a particular food or anything, the first 1 minute you show the recipes, things you have to do, and other important things in the first 1 minute of that video. The moment your video is extremely long and you don't have an existing audience, that video will not do well and it won't go viral. So if you want to beat the algorithm on YouTube, make your videos short and very straight to the point. Example I'm giving you is like, if a video is 10 minutes and the audiences or the viewers don't watch up to 5 minutes, it triggers the algorithm or triggers YouTube to believing that video might not be that good, but people are watching it. That way, it reduces the way YouTube recommend that video to more users or more people to watch on YouTube. But assuming a video is 5 minutes long and people watch at least 3 minutes to 4 minutes, YouTube will keep recommending that video to more and more and more and more people because they believe that people are watching it and people are watching to the end because they understand and they're following the video to the end. If your video is extremely long and you're not creating a very nice storyline that will keep the viewers watching and watching and watching, that video might do well, but it might not do as well as it would have done if it was short and straight to the point. Right? Unless you have a paid advert to put in the front or anything. But if you must make a video that you want it to beat the algorithm, go viral, and people watch it, all you have to do is go straight to the point. If you're talking about reviewing a particular phone, an iPhone 16, you don't start talking about the iPhone 14, the iPhone 15. Focus on the iPhone 16 and talk about it immediately. The first 1 minute should be about the iPhone 16, the specs, the camera, the bezels, the battery, everything about it. Don't start the first 1 minute talking about Steve Jobs and how Apple is a good brand or a bad brand. Focus on why the viewers come there. Because the moment viewers click out of a video, the percentage keeps recording on YouTube algorithm that people are clicking out on your videos, right? That way it's going to beat the algorithm and make your videos not go viral. And this is my own video, short to the point and well detailed. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my videos on the screen.